What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get and use pack points in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before I get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So one of the Pokemon TCG Pocket currencies are pack points, and this is the way that you can get pack points. So at the moment there is only one way, and that is by opening packs. So as you can see, I can open a pack now. So let's open one and see how much pack points we get. So if you take a look at the upper right corner, you can see that we got 5 pack points from this pack. So that means that you can get 10 pack points each day. And I also leveled up. So if you get 10 pack points each day, you would of course need a way to spend them. And this is how you can spend them. So open up your pack menu and click on this pack icon right here in the bottom right corner. Once you clicked on that icon, a pack point exchange shop will load. So in this shop menu, you can actually spend your pack points. And as you can see, I've accumulated 195 pack points. And the limit is 2,500. So in the pack point exchange shop, you can buy any card that's in the game. And these are organized by rarity, also by type. So first are the most common grass types, then fire types, etc, etc. But if you scroll down to the bottom of the pack shop, you will be able to find some rarer cards, such as these EX cards or even Mewtwo cards, right here. So that's the only way on how you can get pack points and the only way how you can spend pack points, at least at the moment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.